So my printer's in a disarray. Last week I went to start printing and the started smelling a really bad electrical smell, and opened it up, feeling around trying to figure out what was burning, and found this electrical connection to the heater bed. You can see some char there. Turn it off immediately. It hadn't melted outside of those pins area. I was hoping that the board was okay. This is because the 12 volt is really on the edge, I guess, of the amperage that we should be pushing through the controller. And I've been meaning to upgrade to the 24 for quite a while. Just hadn't gotten around to it, and it was a bit too late. So you can see this is the connection that goes onto the circuit board, and you can see down in there the smoke escaped, and the pins are charred. And I've never had an electrical connection like this that I've ever been able to really clean up and be confident that it'll not do this again. So I'm replacing this, and I just happen to have in my scrap bin green one. Look at that, it even matches the original connector. So it's taken out the old one, and I've never had a formal soldering class, but get things hot and you try to remove them. I have copper wick, but was having troubles generating enough heat. I think this wick might be too big for my soldering iron, which is just a little guy, 40 watt. I can turn that off for now. And so I was having trouble getting it out, and so what I ended up doing was, from the back side of the board, or from this side of the board over here, I would heat up the connection and then push the pin through, and ended up popping off two of these pads. You can see the copper there. Now I don't think those pads were connected to anything. They probably went through the board, probably, I would imagine, to create a little bit more of an electrical surface for our connection. And unfortunately, that is the heater bed side there, which is got the most juice flowing through it. So I've ordered the 24 volt kit, and it's on its way. I will be installing this new connector and soldering it in and reinstalling everything. I had the 24 volt hot end cartridges for the heaters for the hot end 24 volt, and I had those a while back. I've got a couple 24 volt extruder fans. I've got more of 24 volt the 50 millimeters coming. Motors will be happy. I've got another, the bed heater is coming. It's in 24 volt. I think I mentioned the power supply. It'll be 24 volt. So it'll all be 24, and I'll switch over. And of course, the new bed heater comes with a new connection, so that'll be replaced and get me back in business.